Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use splines in DaVinci Resolve. Splines are incredibly powerful tools for refining your animations and motion graphics, giving them a professional, polished look. They allow you to precisely control the acceleration and deceleration of your animated properties, transforming jerky movements into smooth, organic transitions. Mastering splines is a game changer for any editor or motion designer looking to elevate their work, providing a level of control that simple keyframes alone cannot achieve. Let's dive in and unlock their full potential. To begin working with splines, you'll first need to access the spline editor. You can typically find this in the Fusion page or within the inspector panel on the Edit page when you have an animated clip selected. Once open, you'll see a graph where the horizontal axis represents time and the vertical axis represents the value of your animated property. Each colored line on this graph is a spline curve, corresponding to a specific parameter like position, rotation, or scale. It's your window into the timing of your animation. Now, let's get hands-on with manipulating these curves. The magic happens when you adjust the tangents of your keyframes. These small handles, often called Bezier handles, allow you to bend and shape the curve, directly influencing how quickly or slowly an animation property changes between two keyframes. For instance, pulling a handle outwards creates a smoother, more gradual transition, while shortening it can make the change more abrupt. You can choose from various interpolation types, such as linear for constant speed or ease in/ease out for natural acceleration and deceleration. To truly master splines, consistent practice is key. Try applying them to create natural-looking camera movements, making your shots feel more dynamic and less robotic. Experiment with different interpolation types to see how they affect the feel of your animations. A subtle ease-out can make a huge difference. Remember, splines give you granular control over every aspect of your motion. Don't be afraid to spend time refining those curves. With a little effort, you'll be creating incredibly fluid and professional animations in DaVinci Resolve in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.